On my way to Arizona to meet up with Kyle, I run into some slight delays. Wildfires have reached the road. We get stopped up here for a little bit and manage to make it through with no issue. Me and Kyle have now connected and we are working our way up to the reservation. This will be Kyle's first ever turkey hunt. We get some great views on our way up and watch these amazing animals work their magic. Good morning, welcome to Bladed Vision Outdoors. Day one, me and Kyle are heading out. Well, Kyle, want to give us a little update on what tank we're going to?
We're heading over to secret tank number 3.
Yes, sir, that's right. Alrighty, catch you guys out there. Arizona elk shit.
It's pretty sick.
He's a little old. Tells the story though. First, whitetail
Who's deer?
deer.
Look at that.
Shit. We begin calling and manage to pull the tom from his roost. He works to the left. We have Kyle sitting directly to the left of me. I tell him to get ready for the shot. As the tom appears, he is gobbling away. He's hot and ready for some action, just not the action he's expecting. He appears to the left. With seconds to spare, I tell Kyle to make the shot.
Go get him, go get him, go get him.
And with that, Kyle has killed his first turkey in his home state of Arizona. San Carlos, Arizona Longbeard has hit the dirt. Congratulations, Kyle.
Go get him, go get him, go get him.
Kyle has been a huge inspiration to me in my life. It makes me very happy that I was able to help him secure his first ever turkey. We just got it done with 2 people, didn't we? We work our way back to camp to show off Kyle's prize. I bet he would have. And with that, it brings this hunt to an end. Kyle's first ever turkey hunt is in the books. Definitely a hook setter, and we are excited to make more throughout the years. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time on Bladed Vision Outdoors. Like, subscribe, and follow for more.